Okay guys, let's take a little look what's going on here, give you guys a little update. That's all you get, updates, isn't it? Let's see what's happening. So, we had the 70 Acadian come in, and the customer brought us another hood. His other hood was garbage, so he brought us a hood, and then just, if you can see, just from, there's lots of shadowing going on here from the sun, but just this body line down, we did a paint repair there. And on either side, it had some rust coming up there. We took care of it and fixed that. You probably saw the photos on my Instagram. And then he brought us a different hood. And then, so Sean did the body work there, and then Jared had to get in there and do his blends with his paint. So we didn't repaint the whole car. It was just basically the hood and the stripes got painted. And then he did a blend up on side there to make everything kind of flow in. And looks good. Looks really good. So that's what's going on here. So if you go to my Instagram, you'll see photos of this, of what's happening. And then we've got inside the shop here, got all sorts of shit going on. We got a 73 Nova hatchback that has come into us. It's got a done up little small block in it. Gonna do a color change, gonna go like a 2020, I forget the name of it, but it's like a graphite gray, or I don't know, just charcoal gray, we'll just say, with black stripes. We're actually going to do the same stripes on this car as what's on the car out there you just saw, the Nova. So that's what's going on. We're doing a quarter panel back here on it. The video before this, you would have saw the quarter with it cut off. Now I've got it held in place here, as you can see at the clamps. As I said, I just tacked it. Now what I'm going to do is trim along here. This will fold in, spot, and just spot weld it back and forth, and there we go. Or butt weld it, I should say. And then we'll do the spot welds back in the wheel lip, because all the wheel tubs are done now. Chris is working on Irv's car. I always forget what year this is.
51.
51. Sometimes I say 51, sometimes I say 52.
Between 50 and 52.
There we go. Okay. It's got the LS in there. It fires up now, right?
It does.
It does. It's a runner.
Let's fire it up.
Okay, Chris is going to fire it up here. It's probably out of gas.
It might run for a couple seconds.
For a couple seconds. It's got my lawnmower gas there.
High grade.
High grade. There we go. Look at that, eh? Wow.
It's going to sound good.
Does sound good, yeah. And this engine's done up, he said.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit built with a bigger cam in it.
Okay. So, what do you figure?
When we get some exhaust on it.
What do you figure, 400 horse?
Yeah, it's probably 400, 350 to 400.
Oh, that's not bad. Yeah. Very cool. So yeah, he's working away, getting everything lined up on that. Then pretty soon we'll be putting all the front sheet metal and doors back on it. So that's what's going on there. We got the 58 truck that's going to be turned into a pizza wagon. I started welding the cab corners on, the steps. Bruce has been in here working on it too a little bit. We're both kind of tag teaming this one. So that's what's going on. As you can see, still got to take care of this side here. Then the 56 Chevy pickup. It's been here for a long time, but this gentleman's not in a panic. He wants to have it on the road for next summer, so we just slowly work on it. Chris and I were assembling these wheel tubs last night. What a joke that was. But anyway, now we're gonna cut half of them apart again because we don't need them. So we've cut. You can see we've cut the box out for him. Kind of cut the floor in here to fit. So that's what's going on there. He's going for the flush mount look. As you can see, we've welded everything up, welded this up. He's going to put the tailgate, I don't know if it makes sense. We're going to move the tailgate inside here, weld it flush, and then this is going to be cut off, and then we're going to build like a scoop coming up the back. I don't know. I just take it one step at a time. When it comes time for the scoop, I'll get the customer to go over it one more time with me. Can only remember so much. So that's what's there. We still got the old milk wagon waiting here. Gord is not in a panic either for this, but we'll get on that pretty quick. We got the Pontiac in the back corner. This is George's car. Haven't gotten started on that yet either, but he was not in a panic. We got the Cuda, Blair's car, the Cuda. And we've been working on that slowly. I did get all the quarters put on it, and Sean got in there and did the body work on the quarters. The first stage of the body work. So he took care of that. Now what we're going to do next is he just brought me out new door pins because the doors when you open them kind of sag. So we're going to put the door pins on, rehang the doors the way they are, and then Sean can line everything up before we get too carried away there. So that's what's going on there. What else is there? We got the duster over here. this gentleman here, he's ordered quarters for it, so we're just waiting on the quarter panels and the chunk floor pieces, and once they come in, I'll be back on the duster. So that's what's happening there. And Sean's plugging away on a 39 Chevy in here.
Plugging away.
Plugging away. This came in for just the fender repairs. The gentleman just wanted to repair the fenders, and of course again, you're going to have to do a blend into the body, but now he's decided that there's so many areas you got to blend, you may as well just paint the whole damn thing. You know, there's not much of a difference just to scuff over the car and repaint it. Professional like Sean would have that scuffed and ready in an hour. We better not be saying that. Everybody will be thinking we do everything in an hour.
1 hour painting.
1 hour of painting, that's right. Believe it or not, when you do jobs like this, I've said it over and over again, you get a car like this and it comes in, you're going to take some of the chrome off it, obviously you got to. This is not like a complete frame off, so we're not popping windows and all that, but still, the time you mask all the door jambs, the windows, the engine bay, up in the wheel well, so you don't get shit, you spend a good 6-8 hours just on masking, and people never realize how long something takes. People think you mask a car within an hour. Well, if they can do it in an hour, we want to videotape them doing it, right, Sean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to see somebody mask everything up on this car in an hour.
I wouldn't like to see the car afterwards.
Oh God, they take a razor blade and some gun wash to wash all the shit off the chrome in the windows. So yeah, so a little 39 Chevy, playing with that. So there's an update. What's going on there? There's the rear fenders right there. And that's about it at the moment. I think that's it. I'm trying to look around. See, we got a few more jobs coming in. It looks like even through COVID-19 here, we're going to be good to at least, I'm probably good to at least August, September right now. So things looking good. And yes, that's all my stuff in the background. And yes, there is a new car in the family. There's a new one right there. As you see, remember, I got my chopped shoebox way over there. Well, there's another member of the family right there. Yes, these are all mine sitting here. And these are all mine sitting here. And you guys still have not gotten ever a video on my little Model A back in there. So we will get to it pretty quick. Okay, remember guys, it's always a good time at Old Time. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Rick's_Old Time Garage is where I am on Instagram. And check us out, watch us, and that's it. Hey, big thumbs up. Get out in the shop and build something. You got all the time in the world right now and nobody's working. What else are you going to do? See you later.